Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am showing you guys my new bob obsession that I got from Beauty Forever. This is a bob wear and go wig. The wig I have is 10 inches and she is a 7x5 yaki straight wig. So I've had this itch to get a bob, to cut a bob, but I'm not going to do that because I want my hair to grow and I can't be impulsive anymore. I mean, I could, but I'm gonna get over that bob real quickly. So, what better way to feed the need than just to get a bob wig? So, that's what I did. And here I'm gonna show you guys how I install it. As far as my base, I just took a quick weave out. So, lucky for me, I didn't have to do anything but put a wig cap on and put the wig on, and I can guarantee that the wigs fit much better when your base is flat. FYI, put some braids, do something, sleek it down. This is like, it's better this way. So I'm just showing you guys how nice and snug the wig fits. I can shake my head, do all the things, and it's not going anywhere. So I'm also going to adjust the drawstring in the back and just tuck that right back on in. And this is a glueless wig, so I don't use any adhesives on any of my wigs anyway, but I am going in with some got to be hairspray just so this baby doesn't go anywhere. And this is what that looks like. I'm just gonna dry that with my blow dryer on a cool setting. And for the part, since I put that wig, since I slid the wig cap back, you can see it through the lace. So I'm just going in with some concealer to kind of blend that, to camouflage it. But if you were to do a ball cap or no cap, you just skip that altogether. So I am going to go ahead and flat iron the wig. It does already come pre-styled, I guess. You can definitely take it out the box and wear it as is. I just wanted my hair to be a little more sleek, and I wanted a more defined bump at the end. Flat ironing this hair is super easy. I do have my flat iron set to 460 degrees just so I can get the yaki texture nice and sleek. I definitely would recommend this wig for someone who is a beginner, for someone that really doesn't want to deal with a whole lot of hair or like a different texture hair. This one mimics relaxed hair, blown out hair. So if you wanted something that looked realistic, looked like your hair, you can definitely get that look with this wig and get away with it, honestly. So here I'm just showing you what it looks like after being pressed on one side versus the other side, and it's just more defined, redefined. So I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of hairspray. I'm also gonna go in and just trim the front pieces a little bit because this wig is layered. So I just kind of want to, crisp those ends in the front, if you will. And I'm also going to hit the roots with the hot comb. Now, I've had this hot comb for quite some time now, and I just don't think it gets as hot as a hot comb should get. So I definitely need another one. If y'all have any recommendations, leave them down below. One I could plug up. But here I'm just showing you guys the massive amount of parting space you have. This is a 7x5, so if you want to do a side part, you can totally do that. Y'all know I love me a middle part. I'm a middle part warrior. Um, but yeah, here's what we're looking like. I just think this looks so good. It looks like my hair. I definitely want to cut it a little shorter. I thought 10 would do it for me, but I might need like 8 inches. I don't know, but I do love how this looks. I think the layer is really nice and natural. So here we are, close up. Y'all also know I don't have a lot of forehead space, so 7 by 5 is literally perfect for me. Here I'm just bumping that front piece, the front layer, just so I can have a cute little flick, if you will. So I'm gonna do that to both sides. But yeah, that's basically it. I'll be sure to list all of Beauty Forever's information in the description box for you guys, as well as a link for this wig that I am wearing if you're interested in low maintenance, stress-free wigs that you really don't have to do too much to, and it's not gonna break the bank. I'm also a easy breezy beautiful cover girl, but I don't like things that are hard, especially wig installations. So the fact that this one comes like pre everything, you're good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.